Hi, I'm Hayes. I'm currently a student in New York City. My device failed last month suddenly and it was very unexpected, so I immediately went online and looked for different data recovery sites, and I found Pitt's Data Recovery. I had been using my hard drive every day for about a year, and I had many different projects from school and my own personal projects such as music production files. The Pitts representatives were able to answer all of my questions very efficiently, and they were very communicative. I was able to look over all my data before the payment and make sure that it was recovered. They were able to get back to me in about 3 weeks, which was very efficient. The service definitely matched my expectations, as I had read reviews online detailing the quality of Pitts Data Recovery before I reached out. And I'm very grateful that my data was all salvageable thanks to Pitts.